So we're going to be sharing some eye-opening facts about plant-based living. We're
In a 10 in 5 people will say they like smart food.
आ गए अच्छा है आप सबका वीगन फॉरेस्ट फेस्टिवल में बहुत ही ज्यादा स्वागत है आपके ब्लू टी शर्ट आपके गाने जो देख के दिल धड़का गया है थैंक यू एवरीवन आप भी ट्रेंडिंग में आए मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा थैंक यू
Yeah, I'm an artist. I painted that. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste everyone. Welcome to part 2 of a vegan forest festival vlog. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. In this video, I will take you through day 2 and day 3 of the festival, sharing all the exciting experience, food and moments. And towards the end, I will break down how much I spent on this trip, and I will give you all the details on how you can attend the next vegan forest festival. So stay tuned till the end. Hello, good morning. So day 2, this is we have spent the night in our tent. This is our tent. You can see so many tents around us. Can you see? And many people are staying outside of the forest also, nearby hotels and all, who is not comfortable with the bathrooms and all. Those people stayed in the hotels. Even my mom also got up and did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So even, can you see my sister? She also got up.
Yeah, I got up now.
So did you sleep well? How it was?
Yeah, and it was a nice
tent.
experience in the tent. First time I'm sleeping in a tent.
Okay.
Early morning, it was very cold.
Oh yeah, like
And then I felt little difficult for going to washroom.
washroom.
Early morning because of the cold. That was only the problem. Other else, nothing. Everything was fine.
Okay. I already took a bath and I have attended one session also. The breakfast is also getting ready and at 8 o'clock it will be ready, 8:30. So yes, that's it. Oh, tea is there. Tea is already there. Tea and laddu. Laddu is also there. Lemongrass tea and laddu already they were giving morning itself.
Banana.
And banana is there all the time. Yeah, it will be there all the time. So yeah, my mom is helping me out what all things I left. From 6 to 10 in the morning, the festival hosts various workshops. Most of them focused on yoga, meditation, and chanting, where participants are starting their day with mindful moments and relaxation. For brushing your teeth, natural tooth powder is provided by themselves and which is safe for both you and the environment. When it comes to bathing in Sadhana forest, you need to fill a bucket with a water and use it to take shower in a shower rooms. As you can see here, you can hang your clothes on this rope, okay? And for showering, you can use this bioenzyme body wash, which is eco-friendly and gentle on our skin also. Kids also, they have arranged so many like tires and all, you can see, and inside also there is some other places they have made only for kids only, right? It is very nice, and we can walk here on this. See, this is a charging point and you had to charge the phone here. As you can see, so many people have left the charging. You need not to worry, nobody will going to take your phone, but they have kept here charging. Only charging point is here. You had to charge here only. What is my suggestion is for you to get power extender. You can get then that will be very easy for you to charge. Okay, so if you have 2-3 phones. Here is the main hut. A dance for universal peace is taking place. In the main hut, you will find the photographs showcasing all the milestones of Sadhana forest, including the very first tree that was planted here and many other significant moments from its journey. So, as usual, I have taken breakfast, only fruits, and after finishing our meal, we went to attend the workshops. The first workshop was our favorite. You know what? Sattvic movement session. Yes, it focused on sharing valuable insights and facts about plant based living.
So, we're going to be sharing some eye opening facts about plant based living. We're going to be answering a lot of questions like, is a plant based lifestyle or a vegan lifestyle really worth all this hype? Is it truly sustainable? Is it something that everyone can actually practice? Or is it something that's only for a few people who have a lot of money and for the elite or for the rich?
After that, I attended a sound healing session which focused more on chanting and creating a meditative atmosphere. Next, I attended a workshop on gut health by Dr. Nandita Shah, where she shared insightful knowledge on maintaining a healthy digestive system through plant based nutrition.
Now, the gut has 500 million neurons, which is a lot. Of course, not as much as the brain, but way more than the spinal cord. The spinal cord has just 100 million, gut has 500 million.
We also celebrated Dr. Nandita Shah's birthday also, you know. Wow, can you see this thing? It's very nice, right? They have made it with wood and the name is vegan. As you all, I guess you all know that meaning, right? Very nice, right? We can take a photos here. It's very nice. See? Wow. So you can see here, this is a banyan tree, and what is there here, you can see resting area. If you are tired or something, you can rest here. As you can see, some people are resting already. So there is a swing also, you can take rest. There is one empty swing, we can go there. So let's go to the mud pool. So this is the mud pool, and as you can see here already, the kids are playing at many. It's not for only kids, it's for everyone. Anyone can come and they're enjoying. Literally, you can see the mud, right? The color of the water is mud. Isn't it beautiful? This is the very special thing. If you ask whoever had been to Sadhana forest, in 10 in 5 people will say like they like mud pool. So that beautiful it is. If you come to Sadhana forest, you must come to the mud pool, and it is an amazing feeling and experience, I can say. There is a mud pool here. Opposite to that, mud pool area is there, and here some activities will be going on. As you can see, there is one activity now going on. What is that? Is the belly dance. You can see how they are enjoying, and they are learning also belly dance how to do. And one person is there in the center. She is teaching other people how to do that step by step. See, he's my friend Varneshwar. He is from Chennai. Okay, he learned the belly dance now. He will show that how it is. Yeah, please show now. That much. much. Oh my god, it's so funny.
Yeah, but it was so much fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun also, right?
This is
And
the first time.
yeah, first time you did it, and you had a lot of fun, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Here you can see I'm attending the speed friending session where people showcased their talents, and it was fun and interactive way to connect with others, and they even shared their unique skill. It is a male cat. Yeah.
Family friendly place, bro. We all going to remember you for something else also now.
One Augie the cockroaches. Like there was one song.
आ गए अच्छा है आप सबका वीगन फॉरेस्ट फेस्टिवल में बहुत ही ज्यादा स्वागत है आपके ब्लू टी शर्ट आपके गाने जो देख के दिल धड़का गया है थैंक यू एवरीवन आप भी ट्रेंडिंग में आए मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा थैंक यू आप इस बार आए हैं अगली बार भी आएंगे ऐसे ही आते रहिएगा और वीगन कम्युनिटी को बढ़ाते रहिएगा याद रखिए वीगन बनने से ही नहीं होगा आपको एक्टिविज्म भी करना पड़ेगा आपको जानवरों को बचाना भी पड़ेगा
And that's it for day 2. We ended the day with a delicious dinner followed by a tasty dessert. So, this is the day 3, final day. Yes. Okay. I started this day with an inner child healing session.
You can still hear the sweet and distant sound of bird songs.
And you know, I learned Tai Chi by attending this session. It was new to me and it was fun and interactive experience, and I really enjoyed it. I attended Amy's session on social media activism. I had also brought a gift for Amy. So let's take a look at what I got for her. From behalf of everyone, and I got one small gift for you.
Oh my god, what?
You can just
What is this? This is me.
yeah, I'm an artist. I painted that. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Adorable. Thank you.
The final session of the festival was by Dr. Shailesh Rao, where he spoke about how we can adopt a vegan lifestyle to help to save Mother Earth.
We are running an engineering project with 8 billion people. Every one of us need to feel like we belong.
And after that, something really special happened. It was my mother's birthday. We had a little surprise planned for her and celebrated with the Kerala community. And it made that so beautiful. They sang beautiful Malayalam songs for her, and we all danced and had a great time. To make it even more special, we had prepared a delicious fruit cake for her. It was a heartwarming and joyful celebration. So, after these sessions, many of them already left, but remaining people, like, we gathered, and there was a photo session. Yes, all the participants of the Vegan Forest Festival gathered for a group photo. It was amazing to see how many people had come together for this year festival, right? And we are celebrating a shared passion for a vegan and sustainable lifestyle. After the group photo, our close circle of friends had a little photo sessions of our own, capturing the beautiful memories we had together at the festival. Finally, we are heading back to Bangalore. I am in bus. It's a local bus. So there was a toll bus from Sadhana Forest to Martandi toll gate. Stop is there. There they have dropped us. From there I have taken here normal bus to Pondicherry bus stop. So from there I have to take auto to railway station. So okay, we came to railway station. As you can see here, train is there already standing, and we have to get in. I am searching for my bogie. So mine is S6, and I found in the between like a Harshin. Hi Harshin. So he also came with their parents, right? So father is here and mother is here, and they were talking like with me, and I asked them like how is the festival, and they said very beautiful. So we are sitting inside the train now, and my sister is also coming with me. She will get down in the next station, and from there she will go to Kerala. But I will go to Bangalore back. It was very fabulous, fantastic, and what else word I can say? It was very nice. We are tired also a little bit. When we sleep, I guess the tiredness will go. And I met here one of my friends. You know what is your name? I'm Karthi from Bangalore. So when I went to Nammu vegan market, I became fan of her pani puri. So that's how I know her. She came to Sadhana Forest, and how did you felt? Like how was your experience?
This was my first time actually going
First
there.
time.
So just came to know how life could be simple and happy also. So that's something I loved.
It was amazing actually. Like for 3 days, like you will take like many days experience, so many things and all in 3 days. Packed one.
So many memories also we
So
can
many
have.
memories, yeah. Thank you for watching till the end, and yes, let's see you in the next video. Until then, namaste. Say bye. 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 So let me break down how much money I spent on this festival. Okay, travel expenses. So from Bangalore to Pondicherry, we took a semi-sleeper bus, and the ticket price was 700 per person. From the railway station to the pickup point, we took a city bus, and the ticket price was just 10 rupees. From there, Sadhana Forest has arranged a bus. So there we didn't give any amount. For returning journey, so Sadhana Forest, they have arranged a bus to drop us to the toll gate near Martandi stop, right? So we get down there, and we took a bus from there to Pondicherry. It was the amount was just 10 rupees, and from there we took an auto. It's like a shareable, and there also it's like like only like 10-20 rupees within that only. From Pondicherry to Bangalore, we took the sleeper coach train, and the ticket price was just 260 rupees per head. Accommodation. So if I want to talk about the accommodation, I purchased a tent for rupees 1500 to stay at Sadhana Forest. You can get a good tent at this price. My total expenses was just rupees 2480 rupees. Yes, and it includes the tent also, which I can reuse again. Apart from the festival, you can visit Sadhana Forest anytime throughout the year. If you want to stay there, you need to commit to a minimum of 4 days stay. So I highly recommend giving it a try.